Not you with
This is SlayedByOna, period.
period.
Do you hear me? Bundles and all, highlighted and all.
Okay. You better tell her.
Okay, family, so we're gonna get straight into it. I did a house call for my clients, and oh, look at baby Reese in the background. I went ahead and braided my client up. Now we are slicking her edges back with some Got2b glue and Got2b spray. And here we are just blow drying those edges back. So here you see me cutting off the extra cap. I did not get the video of me doing that, but stay tuned for more because I'm going to be posting that in future videos. So here I had her try on the wig just so I can see the placement of the closure and where it stops, because I'm cutting off the extra cap that I had glued down previously. So this is an amateur moment, you guys. If you do make this mistake, go ahead and apply a wet cloth to the cap and it'll lift it up a little bit, and then you can go ahead and cut the rest off. So as you can see here, I removed some of the cap from the sides. Again, if you make this mistake, go ahead and apply a wet cloth. It'll lift the cap up a little bit, and then you can spray it back down and blow dry it, and it will stick. So here you just see me applying a contour palette of my client's complexion. You can do whatever works for you. You know, like I've seen people use foundation. Of course, it has to be the client's complexion. But yeah, I've seen people use foundation, eyeshadow, the whole lace tint, like whatever you have on hand, do what works for you. It worked for me. You stay tuned to the end and you will see exactly how it turned out. So my client is getting a middle part. I'm just adding some contour powder to the middle part. I'm going to spray it with the Got2b spray. I had to remember what I was actually spraying on there, but I'm going to list all the products below in the description. So we're going to go ahead and take the wig off, and I'm going to apply more of the contour powder all over her cap within the front, like where she's going to be able to make like more parts and everything. I want everything to look natural. Family, it has been a minute since I posted a video. I've been MIA on all my social medias ever since I think I made my last post on my Instagram like October of 2021. So yeah, a lot of changes have been made within my business. I took a little break from my business. I started doing social media marketing for other companies and really just perfecting my craft like all around with wigs and then my social media game. So I'm excited for all the content that I have coming for you guys. Comment below what you want to see next. Like, it's about to be lit, okay?
4-quad wig,
Not 4-quad.
It wasn't a wig.
What is that off of?
Shrek. You don't remember
Yeah,
Shrek
okay.
when he was little?
Because I'm like, okay, it sounds familiar. Shut. You did. I'm done.
Look, God. You're on 4-quad right there.
You is funny.
That's for real. I done tried it all.
The same powder that I applied to the cap, I'm also applying to the lace closure. All right, so now it's time to pop this bad baby on. We are putting it and adjusting it to the fit of her head, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply the glue. So we're gonna go ahead and apply the first layer of glue. When you're putting it on, you want to make sure that you put it on the cap and then a little bit in front of the cap so that it stays, of course. That's the second layer. You want to rub it in until it turns clear, and then this is the final layer right here. So here I'm just making sure that I pull the cap or pull the lace in front of the cap. You do not want to glue it down and you still see the cap. Like, that's not cute, sis. It's not cute. So it was still a little bit off center to me. So before you actually like press it down, you want to make sure that it's in the correct spot. So here I'm just adjusting it just to make sure we Gucci, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pull on the lace and press in on the closure. You can do it with a tip, or you can like comb it back, whatever works for you. Whatever works for you. So we finally cut off the lace, and I did not get that in this video. Like I said, I do have a lot of fire and heat coming to you guys, so in future videos I'm definitely going to show you more details. And now I'm just perfecting the middle part and sectioning off the baby hairs for sure. Look at that middle part. Yes, honey. So as you can see, the baby hairs are already laid. As I was editing this video, you guys, I do apologize. Some of the videos had errors and it just wasn't working, so I couldn't include them in this video. But I promise you, for future videos, I will have more of these steps in detail for you guys.
First of all, you just talk releases into doing anything.
Baby, do you see it? Oh my god.
It's giving. Scalp. It's giving. Clean my scalp.
It's giving. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Do you see? Period. Period.
Let me see my. What's his face?
You really
Yes, honey.
You wet?
Yes. Give me a 360. Yes, honey. Okay. The video. This is my client for me, y'all.
Period. Slayed by
Period.
who?
Okay. Turn around. Give me a 360. Period.
Oh,
Okay.
Thank you so much for watching, family. If you missed my natural quickly video, go ahead and tap on this video right here. Until next time, peace, love, and blessings. I'm out.